Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to log in to the International College of Management, Sydney as a student. For that, the first thing that you'll have to do is open up Google Chrome or a browser of your choice, and then in the search bar we're going to be typing in my ICMS login. That is my ICMS login, and then hit go or enter on your keyboard. Tap on the first link. Here you can download the ICMS app on your device. Here you can download the ICMS app on your device and then log in through it. Or if you only want to use your account on a web browser, head over to Moodle ICMS. That is Moodle ICMS. And then hit go or enter on your keyboard and then tap on the first link. Scroll down to find Moodle and then tap on Moodle. If you're already logged in with a Microsoft account, you'll have to hit use another account and then enter your email, hit next and enter your password to log into your account. These credentials should be sent to you in your email by your college or university. You must also follow the instructions in the same email to activate your account and set your password. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.